All right, guys. Well, this is going to be the beginning of the last install of the season, up north anyhow. If I get any projects down south, we'll take them down south as long as it's warm. But I'm about ready to take the footrest apart. This footrest is 10 by 10. So I'm going to actually make a how-to video soon on how to build the footrest for my bar. But normally they don't come apart, but because this is so big, obviously we can't transport it. So comes apart in 3 pieces. So, and just like this 10 by 10 bar, this comes apart in 2 pieces. This is going to be heavy even when it's broken down into 2. But all right, so I'm going to keep attaching videos throughout the whole install and our traveling, so this might be a long video. So, but this is the beginning of the Fombell, Pennsylvania Tiki Bar install, which is just a little bit, I keep saying Pittsburgh, they're a little north of Pittsburgh. So I'm not sure what the next video is, so you can be surprised, because you're going to be surprised just like me, because I don't know what's coming next. So in 3, 2, 1. All right, well, I'm surprised as you are. I didn't know I was going to make this video. This one's going to be super fast, but it is time to take this apart. We are heading out to Pittsburgh on Saturday. Today, I believe, is Wednesday. And we'll see what this looks like. I'll take a video as soon as it comes apart. But I put the tower on this morning for the beer meister. Get that out of the way so I don't have to do it when we get out there. So, all right, let's see what happens. Well, until the next video. 3, 2, 1. Hey, I'm back again, and there you have it, guys. This thing is apart, and we just got to get it loaded up. Comes apart in 2 pieces. Thankfully, the beer meister, we put it on the back corner. Otherwise, it would have been, sometimes they want them dead center, and then it's a real, then the bar splits into like a lot of different separate pieces. But this one came apart pretty easy. It's all in the design. So all right, well, I'll make another video, who knows when, but I'm looking forward to it. All right, from Tiki Kev shop for the time being, Tiki Kev out. Well, I'm back again. We didn't go to Pittsburgh yet. We are leaving first thing in the morning. It is Friday afternoon, and the shop looks empty, like completely empty. Doesn't look empty to you guys, but this is empty to us. We got 1 bar left. That's the Hawaii bar, and as soon as they send their payment, that thing's gone. But the shop is like cleaned out. It's been wall-to-wall bars since March in here. So we're all loaded. We're all packed up. Look, even the back, the roofs are gone. Everything's gone. So there's half of the 10 by 10 bar in the back of the trailer. And then we got everything out. There's Eric. Yep. Who said you could take lunch? We don't eat lunch around here. Actually, we're already done for the day. We're all packed up, loaded up, ready to go. So first thing in the morning, probably around 6, we're heading to Pittsburgh. The other part of that bar is buried way up in the front of the truck. But if we got both pieces in here, there's no way we would have had all the material for the roof, all the tools, the supplies, ladders, you name it. So I'm going to keep this short too. We'll see you in Pittsburgh. So from the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out. Okay, so driving to Pittsburgh, and this is my navigator. Sound asleep. It's been like that for about 2 hours. Oops. Looking down there. Don't want to wake up. About 107 miles away from our destination, so maybe about an hour and a half or so we should be there hopefully soon. We left at 6:30 this morning, and it's what time? A little after 10. Oh, look who's awake.
Sorry.
Good morning. Good. Navigator.
Good morning.
All right, we'll have the next video when we get to Pittsburgh in 3, Hey guys, well, we're back, and as you saw in the previous video, my navigator fell asleep, and he woke up just in time for us to get out of the truck. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the previous video with Eric sleeping and snoring, and we made it here. We made it to Fombell or Fombell, not sure how to pronounce it, but we're going to take the first half of the Tiki Bar off the trailer, and then we're going to pull the box truck back here, and it's a beautiful property here. She's got a lot of land here, but this will probably be one of the easiest for getting our product to where it needs to sit. We actually got the tailgate of the trailer sitting right on the deck, and there's the outline where the bar is going to go. So I got to get to work. We'll see how it goes. Take another video shortly. And this crew consists of myself, Ed, and Eric. There's Ed. You can see his gray hair glistening in the sun. So nobody wanted to come on this trip with us, but as soon as I mentioned Hawaii, everybody and their mother came out of the woodwork going, I'll help you on that one. So all right, until the next video. Well guys, it's the end of day one. We got the bar installed. I'm going to move here to get a better shot. But we got the bar installed and part of the roof. We put as much of the roof together that three of us can lift. So if you can see how massive those poles are. So we got two rafters and the ridge pole up and the frame before we lifted it up. But anything else would have been really heavy. So we'll finish the roof in the morning. The bar's all put together. So day two tomorrow. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. We left about, I guess, 6:30 this morning. It was a little less than 6 hours to get here. So we got a little bit done today. All right, well, we'll make another video tomorrow. Don't want to keep everybody too long. I would do a song and dance to make my videos more interesting, but I can't sing, and I certainly can't dance. So you'll have to put up with the Tiki Bar videos. All right, until tomorrow. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, sorry. I'll be on a sec.
Probably a phone call coming through.
No, it's me. It's me from the camera. Good time. Good time.
We have another cutoff field, Eric, please. All right, guys, we are at the end of day 2, and big difference from yesterday. We finished building the roof today, and then we got it 3/4 of the way thatched. This left side on the inside's not done yet, but we made some good progress today. Not much room to set up ladders and scaffolding here, so this is our this is our temporary. Well, this is our scaffolding for doing this side of the roof. But we'll get up there tomorrow. 3/4 of it's done up top. We were able to watch or listen to the Birds game on the radio. I was able to stream it. I figured out how to do that. But tomorrow we should be, well, tomorrow's what? Monday we'll be finishing up. Shouldn't be a full day at all. We just got to finish this end, do the rope lighting, and install the beer meister. And turn the electric on just to make sure everything works. So, all right, until tomorrow, I will leave you guys with that. See you on Monday. Go Birds, 3-0, baby.
I ain't as good as I once was. I got a few years on me now, but there was a time back in my prime when I could really lay it down.
Hey guys, I'm back, and guess what? We are done here in Fombell, PA. It's a suburb of Pittsburgh. So it's about 1 o'clock. We just got done day 3, and let me show you what it is, because you've seen the pieces in the shop. probably seen the pieces in the previous video, but this is a 10 by 10 custom red cedar Tiki Kev Tiki Bar with a 14 by 14 artificial thatched roof and door reed Viva 3.0. So let me take you inside the bar. Oh, there's a cooler. Eric! There's a cooler here. Messing up my video. We'll just set this over here. You left the cooler. All right, back to the video. So it's a 10 by 10, and on the inside we have a beer meister, and we have an ice bin with the end caps still sitting in there. We're not putting the end caps on yet. I'll explain that in a minute. We got a 15 by 15 sink. We got rope lighting all the way around. We got a refrigerator, mini fridge. There's Eric. It's a good thing I came back here. And we have a 52 or 54 inch ceiling fan. I think I got a 52. Let's see, there we go. It's called the Tillman 2. And there's what the roof looks thatched on the inside. This was a heavy one. We had to actually build the roof up top because you can see how big all the framing is. And then back here, we added that pole going across in case they want to mount a TV. Not too shabby. And what else do we have? We have some Tiki Kev bar stools. Now nine came with this bar, so we got 3, 3, and 3. And I know if I don't sound very excited, I'm just tired. Because we drove almost 6 hours, 5.5 hours the first day, and then worked another 6 or 7. And then we were out here early yesterday, worked 12, maybe not quite 12 hours, but this is the other side of it. So the footrest, the reason I didn't finish attaching the footrest, there's only 2 screws holding the footrest in, because he's going to pull the footrest back out so he could do the plumbing. I did all the electrical, but the end caps, when he slides the footrest back on, just go on the end there, and that way everything's covered up. So I don't know, it's been a long spring and summer, and now we're in the fall, and this is my this is our last install, at least up here in the north. This is the last install of 2023. I still have the Hawaii bar out that's in the shop that you guys see in there. I'm just waiting on payment on that, and then we're shipping it to Tracy Air Force Base in California, and then they're going to take it by boat, well, yeah, by ship over to Hawaii for Bellows Air Force Base. So I think that's about it. Tired, I'm exhausted. It's been a long season. And there you go. TikiKev.com. All right, well, I'm going to leave you guys with that. I'll have more videos throughout the winter. Not sure what we're going to do. Nothing. It's an odd year this year. I haven't gotten anything new in since May, but we got a ton of work that did come in early on. It kept us busy all summer. But you know, the same old situation. I couldn't get anything out because I had no help. So the biggest issue was trying to find people to get stuff out. So I think I should have been done somewhere around August if I was able to get everything out in a timely manner. But you know, you can only do what you can do. So this is it, and from Fombell, PA. All right, I think I covered everything. Oh, the bar went together pretty good. The deck wasn't. A lot of deck boards are all over the place, so it was tough. You guys saw how nicely this was put together in the shop. But it's probably an old deck, and but we got. I mean, the seams came together really good. After we got it up here, we actually had to shim the bar a little bit in places just to try and get everything to line back up, but it worked out pretty good. So, remote control ceiling fan. There's a remote control. I sat there. So that way nobody has to kind of reach and jump up there all the time. And I guess they'll put a TV back there, but not really sure. So, all right, well, that concludes the 2023 season, I guess. And I guess we'll, I don't know when my next video is, but again, love your guys' comments. If there's anything else you guys want to see, want to see me make, you want some instructional video, if you're interested in how something's done, let me know. I'll make a video, I'll post it. I'm pretty much getting to the end of my career, I think. There's no secrets anymore. So as long as you're not an asshole, I don't mind giving out information. Just don't be an asshole. All right, well, as I said a couple times already, I think that's it. So let me walk back here. That sun's going to be in the way. I don't know if you can even see anything. I can't see crap right now, but that's the overall shot of it. All right, so we're going to be heading back to PA soon. Oh, we're in PA. We're going to be heading back home soon. All right, so we will see you guys in the next video. But until then, from Fombell, PA, and the Tiki Kev crew on this project of Eric and Ed, Tiki Kev out.